Okay, windows and doors. When it comes to windows and doors in the ICF walls, you're going to need a bucking system to hold back the concrete to create the void for the window or the door. Wood bucks tend to be the most common used, and when you go to use wood bucks, you're going to want to determine the size, the type of wood, whether it's pressure treated or not. You'll start by figuring out the rough opening sizes, and when you build your bucks, you're going to want to make sure the sides and the top are full width based on the form size, and the bottom needs to have an opening in it to allow for pouring concrete and then vibration. Here's a couple examples of some window bucks. The one on the left is a OSB with 2x4s, again, open in the bottom and able to work with that concrete that has to get in the bottom of the window. And the one beside that is a 2x6 on this particular case inside the core of the wall and just simply stops it. Both these will have to be reinforced. Curved bucks. Bucks can be designed to virtually any size or shape, so a lot of times we pre-build them for the opening, put them in place, and then we cut the EPS around it to make sure it's going to form to it. Here's some examples again, buck installations. You want to cut the foam about 1/4 inch big just to allow for squaring up the buck properly, and then you're going to install your rebar around the opening as per specifications. When you go to prepare these bucks for concrete pour, concrete, basically a cubic meter concrete weighs approximately 5,000 pounds, so you want to make sure you got some support there. You're going to do cross bracing, and this is all temporary bracing that would come out after you're finished. Again, they can be any sizes or shapes. There's an elliptical, there's a round one here. It just gives you lots of different examples that any kind of opening you want to put in your wall is easily bucked out to make sure your windows or doors are going to fit properly. You can also purchase vinyl bucks pre-made. That's quite common in custom homes, especially that we see the top left where it's a circle, so a round window. And then you can also get vinyl bucks that are squared, reinforced. Again, you're still going to have to support these for temporary shoring. And then there's just a couple pictures of how the bottom opening is, along with the guy working on securing the bucks in the wall.